Hello, teacher. My name is Tatiana Palacios Payares. Let's go on English grammar. Superlative adjectives. Complete with superlative adjective in all the necessary words. London is largest city in England. Cheetahs are fastest animals in the world. Whales are biggest animals. San Francisco is the most beautiful city in the United States. Summer in the best Summer is the best season of the year. Write the superlative form. Good, best. Forest or forest. Expensive, most expensive. Oldest. Prettiest. Small, smallest. Nice, nicest. Comfortable, most comfortable. Youngest. But worst. Write the opposites. Happiest, saddest, most comfortable, less comfortable. Easiest, hardest, best, worst. Nearest, farthest, or furthest, most expensive, less expensive. Used to or equal. For each in the following sentence, choose either used to or will. If both are possible, use word. Do you remember your uncle David used to sit in that chair and smoke those distinct cigars? Your mother used to have a Yorkshire Terrier. When with what a young girl did she? Forget they used to go on holiday to the Rockies, but then it became very fashionable and hence expensive. Years old used to write a year every debut. Then I got bored with doing it and stopped. Maybe I was my life that was boring. At the start of their marriage, they will be very happy, but then in the world, you used to spell so well wherever happened. When I was 5, I used to be able to do incredible gymnastics. Now I can't even touch my toes. Before greeting in my drive lessons, I would ride a bicycle everyone. Angry and disagree. You are having a conversation with Jenny. What this says is true for two, but I or neither I choose with auxiliary verb you need. Jenny, Sarah loves chocolate. Me, so do I. Jenny, I can play the piano. Neither can I. Jenny, Catherine is English. So I am. Jenny, she isn't coming in the party. Neither I am. I love to study this weekend. So do I. Don lives in Madrid. So do I. She doesn't have a brother or sister. Neither I do. I've been to Mexico. So have I. I am going to some new. Some I did pass the exam. Neither did I. She hasn't burned the laptop. Neither I am. David is living in Mumbai, so am I. I don't have a cave excuse me, just no, neither will I. I am not the engineer, neither I am. Jim went to the lecture yesterday, so I am studying Spanish in the moment, so am I. I like a cup of coffee, so will I. You wouldn't drive in the snow, neither could I. Emma can speak French, so can I. Thank you.